In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get many files using AWS S3 in N8n, step by step. This is a really useful workflow if you want to pull multiple files from an S3 bucket and use them in automations, reporting, file processing, or even move them into other apps inside N8n. If you've ever wanted to list or retrieve several files from AWS S3 without doing everything manually, this tutorial is going to help. And if you find this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy automation tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your N8n workflow and go to the Nodes panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can add all the different actions and services that N8n supports. In the search box, type AWS S3 and then select the AWS S3 node from the list. This node is the one you'll use to connect N8n with your Amazon S3 storage and work with your files. Once the AWS S3 node is added to your workflow, the next step is to choose the operation. In the operation dropdown, select Get Many Files. This tells N8n that you want to fetch multiple files from your S3 bucket instead of just one single file. Depending on your use case, this can be very helpful when you need to process a batch of documents, images, logs, or any other files stored in S3. Now it's time to configure the node by giving it the required details. You'll need to set up your AWS credentials so N8n can access your S3 account securely. If you haven't connected AWS yet, create or select your AWS credentials in N8n. Make sure your access key and secret key are correct and that the account has permission to read from the S3 bucket you want to use. After that, enter the bucket details. Choose the bucket where your files are stored and if needed, specify the folder or path inside the bucket. This helps narrow down the search so N8n only looks in the location you want. If your bucket contains a lot of files, this is especially important because it keeps your workflow more organized and efficient. Next, review any additional options available in the node. Depending on your setup, you may be able to control things like file prefixes, limits, or filters. These settings can help you target only the files you want to retrieve. Take a moment to double check everything so you don't end up pulling more data than necessary. Once all the details are filled in, it's time to test the node. Click execute and N8n will run the AWS S3 action and retrieve the files based on the settings you entered. If everything is configured correctly, you should see the output data appear in the execution panel. That output will confirm that N8n successfully connected to AWS S3 and got the files from your bucket. If the results look right, then you're all set. You can now use those files in the rest of your workflow, whether that means saving them somewhere else, processing them with another node, or sending them into an automation chain. This is what makes N8n so powerful. You can connect file storage to almost anything and build workflows that save you tons of time. And that's how to get many files using AWS S3 in N8n. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.